Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of determining volume and weight. This is standard 3.7e in the great state of Texas. We are using item number 6 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so Hannah is buying a juice box here, and we need to figure out the measurement that is closest to the amount of the juice box when it is full. So, got just gonna say it, weird looking lunch. Okay, we got a taco and rice. I get that. I think those are chicken nuggets, and then a full apple with apple juice. So I'm not sure who eats a taco with chicken nuggets, but you go for it, Hannah. What are we supposed to do here? Well, we're just estimating. Okay, so we need to know the difference between milliliters and liters. So one thing we need to know is this milli means 1,000th. Okay, so if we take a look at our reference materials, you will see here, you scroll to the very top, right there, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so I've got 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, which means 2 liters equals 2,000 milliliters. And then 200 milliliters equals 200,000 milliliters. Okay, so that's a lot. So milli equals 1,000th, right? So if we had 2 milliliters, that would be 2,000ths of a liter, right? And then 200 milliliters would be 200,000ths. So really that's 2/10ths of a liter. So that lets us know that these are going to be small and these are going to be large. Okay, so let's eliminate some. So what is a liter? Sometimes you can get a liter of soda on its own, but most of us are used to, we've got this little tiny, see if I can draw it here. Okay, so you can get this bottle here, and it looks kind of large. Okay, this is going to be, let's pretend this is a 2 liter. A lot of us will get 2 liter of soda. The problem with a 2 liter of soda is that eventually it goes flat, right? These are the big ones, right? And it might be Coke or Pepsi or something like this. So let's say it's a 2 liter of Coke. Okay, so think about how big a 2 liter of Coke is, or Dr. Pepper, or whatever you want to get from the store. Okay, that apple juice is not a 2 liter. Okay, because you need to be able to drink it at lunch. So it's not going to be a 2 liter. It's not going to be 200 liters. Those are way too big. So I'm looking at 2 milliliters or 200 milliliters. Okay, so we're looking at milliliters. These are the liters. So first, let's take our 2 liter. Let's cut it in half. Okay, so that's a liter and that's a liter. So we're looking at this size right here. So if I were to take this, okay, and I were to cut it into 1,000 little pieces. Okay, so think about all the little pieces. Imagine I just cut that into 1,000 equal pieces. Okay, that's going to be very small. Do I want two of those 1,000? That's going to be a sip. It's like an eyedropper. That's very, very tiny. Or do I want 200 of those pieces, right? That's going to end up being 2/10ths, okay? Because they can just drop 2 zeros here. That's going to be a little bit more like it, okay? It's not going to be a full liter, but it's not going to be 2 milliliters because these are milliliters. When we're thinking of milliliters, we really think of eyedroppers, right? You measure medicine in the syringe in milliliters. So our best answer here is going to be B, 200 milliliters.